the gift of God's love. Through Christ on the cross, peace was made. My day